I'll go.
Standing bodies?
Why you guys keep hesitating? Oh! Dylan, why do you swing like that? That's funny. John, stop backing up! Go!
You fucking gave me a dead arm right when we started.
It's like, oh, I heard that. That one hurt me. Oh, that one hurt me. It was funny. Keep going. Adrenaline rush. Oh, that would have been the face. Like Gustavo. Done?
This is big.